Welcome to our video on the 16 best quotes for a wedding ceremony. These quotes are perfect for adding a special touch to your big day, and can be used in a variety of ways to create a beautiful and memorable ceremony. Let's dive into these romantic remarks. Number 1. Love doesn't just sit there, like a stone, it has to be made, like bread, remade all the time, made new, by Ursula K. Guin. This quote speaks to the idea that love is not a static emotion or feeling, but rather something that requires ongoing effort and attention to maintain and grow. Number 2. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person, by Mignon McLaughlin. This quote highlights the importance of continued affection and appreciation for one's partner throughout the ups and downs of a long-term relationship. Number 3. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides, David Viscott. This quote emphasizes the mutual and reciprocal nature of love, and the way it can bring warmth and joy to both partners in a relationship. It could be used during a reading or in a toast as a way to express the idea that love is a mutually beneficial experience that brings warmth and light to our lives. Number 4. You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams, Dr. Seuss. This playful quote captures the intense feelings of joy and fulfillment that come with finding a partner who makes your dreams come true. Number 5. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now, and yet I know I will tomorrow, by Leo Christopher. This quote speaks to the idea that love is not finite or static, but rather something that can continue to grow and deepen over time. Number 6. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine, by Maya Angelou. This quote emphasizes the uniqueness and specialness of the love shared between two individuals, and the way it can be irreplaceable and unmatched. Number 7. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage, by Lao Tzu. This quote highlights the ways in which love can empower and inspire us to be strong, brave, and resilient. Number 8. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies, by Aristotle. This quote speaks to the idea that true love is a deep and profound connection between two people, who feel as though they are united as one. Number 9. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope, by Maya Angelou. This quote speaks to the boundless nature of love and how it can conquer any obstacle. It can be used during the ceremony to remind the couple that no matter what challenges they may face, their love will carry them through. Number 10. Love doesn't make the world go round, love is what makes the ride worthwhile, by Franklin P. Jones. This quote reminds us that while love may not be the solution to all of life's problems, it is what gives life meaning and purpose. Tea can be used during the ceremony to celebrate the joy and fulfillment that the couple has found in their love for each other. Number 11. Love is a promise, love is a souvenir, once given never forgotten, never let it disappear, by John Lennon. This quote highlights the enduring nature of love and how it can serve as a reminder of the promises and commitments that we make to each other. It can be used during the ceremony to celebrate the couple's past, present, and future together. Number 12. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences, by Dave Muir. This quote emphasizes the importance of embracing our differences and finding joy in them. It can be used during the ceremony to celebrate the unique qualities and perspectives that each partner brings to the relationship. Number 13. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved, loved for ourselves, or rather, loved in spite of ourselves, by Victor Hugo. This quote speaks to the power of unconditional love and how it can bring us happiness and fulfillment. It can be used during the ceremony to celebrate the couple's love for each other, which transcends any flaws or imperfections. Number 14. I carry your heart with me, I carry it in my heart, by E. E. Cummings. This quote could be used during the exchange of vows or during a reading as a way to express the idea that the couple's love for each other is so strong that they are inseparable. Number 15, We Loved with a Love That Was More Than Love, by Edgar Allan Poe. This quote could be used during the exchange of vows or during a reading as a way to express the idea that the couple's love for each other is extraordinary and transcendent. Number 16, Love is Not Just Looking at Each Other, It's Looking in the Same Direction, by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. This quote emphasizes the importance of shared values and goals in a relationship. You can use it to talk about how you and your partner are united in your vision for the future. I hope these quotes have inspired you and given you some ideas for making your wedding day truly unforgettable. Whether you choose one of these quotes or write your own, I know your wedding ceremony will be a beautiful expression of your love and commitment. If you have your amazing quotes that you'd like to share with us, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.